Step 1. Start by removing the headrest from the driver's seat. You may need to tilt the seat forward to do this. Step 2. Place the cover over the seat backrest with the front side facing forward and pull it downwards like putting on a t-shirt. Step 3. If your seat has an armrest, locate the Velcro strips on the side of the cover. Attach the Velcro securely under the armrest, ensuring a snug fit. Step 4. At the top of the cover, locate the holes for the headrest. Tuck the headrest's plastic housing through these holes to keep them properly aligned. Step 5. Push the foam pocket at the bottom of the cover into the gap between the seat backrest and the seat base. This helps secure the cover in place. Step 6. Pull the cover down over the seat base, making sure it fits smoothly across the seat. Step 7. Align the cover neatly with the base of the seat. Step 8. Pull the cover down and round the plastic at the side of the seat base. Step 9. At the side of the base, find the other Velcro strap and wrap it round and towards the back of the seat. Step 10. At the back of the seat, connect the two straps together. Step 11. Slide the armrest cover over the armrest like a sock. Step 12. Pull the headrest cover over the headrest and reattach it to the seat. Step 1. Start by removing both headrests from the passenger seats. Step 2. Undo the zip or Velcro on the double seat cover. Slide the cover over the seat backrest. Step 3. Align the headrest holes in the cover with the plastic headrest mounts on the seat to ensure proper fitting. Step 4. Lift the base up and attach the Velcro at the bottom of the cover to back of the cover and reconnect the zip or Velcro behind the seat belt. Step 5. Slide the thin part of the seat base into the pocket of the cover, keeping the elastic under the seat. Step 6. Start at the back of the base cover. Step 7. Next, fold the outside edge of the cover over the outside corner of the seat cushion. Step 8. Next, fold the front corners inside out and pull over the cushion corners. Step 9. Finally, reattach the headrests to the seats. Slip the headrest covers over the headrest like a sock and adjust for a smooth fit.